Okay, we've let our head set up overnight, so we need to sand this down before I put my outside pieces on, because those will need to be adjustment. We've also used our Dremel. We've used our Dremel attachment here to take this out in here, and we sanded this down a little bit there. So when we put our dowel in here, where it's going to go, that the string will go behind it without catching on the wood. So we have this adjusted, what we need. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our side pieces that we kept, and we want to, I had to sand this down a little bit, so we're going to glue this onto here.
High school students in Nebraska attempted to break the Guinness World Record for the largest water balloon toss. Oh yeah? Attempted. You know, this is confusing. It's not the largest water balloon. Okay.
So we want to center that on there.
You know what? That'd be like Willie's Waterbed Warehouse. For you there. That's right.
And then we're going to put a couple of these small nails in here to hold it in place.
Really? Yeah.
That was lame.
That side. I'm going to put this side in.
Previous record of 902 balloons.
Now wait a minute, read that again. They had 1,000 participants and only 700 balloons, but they beat the record for 902 balloons.
Hang on, someone throwing both hands? What are you doing? Is this story confusing, or are you...
Glue this piece in.
You need to put Deloitte and Touche on that or something.
Line that up where it goes.
Well, when we come back, we'll find out the details.
Again, we're going to put a couple of these nails in here to hold it. That way the head will slide it, or the back of the head slides in and out. I'm going to have to adjust that a little bit. Okay. Just wipe this glue here.
This is the Bob and Tom Show.
And we'll put a clamp on this.
For today's show. Our show sponsored by J. Foster Jewelers. Check out bobandtom.com to see who's on the show today. Or they can go to WIOT.com and click on Bob and Tom. Bob, thank you very much, Bob. We'll start the show up with
So we'll set this aside, let it set up.
for a short break. This is the Bob and Tom Show on 104.7 WIOT. At Spectrum Business, we believe small businesses like yours are the backbone of our economy and the heart of every community. That's why we provide the
Now
best
we're going to take these two sides.
phones and TV to keep small businesses connected with their customers. To celebrate National Small Business Week, we're offering savings of up to $350 to meet all the connectivity needs of your business.
Sure, mark down.
Spectrum.com/business.
We're going to mark this where it goes on here. Then we're going to go up here, inch and a half or so. What we'll do is I'm going to take my belt sander and I'm going to sand this down and bevel it down a little bit before we put this on.
American Plastics is an equal opportunity employer.
Same thing on this one.
The Radio Murders explores the unsolved homicides of 3 distant investigation that exposes corruption and drug trafficking, painting a portrait of Miami as a forward operating base for the CIA.
And we'll take this one and bevel this down a little bit before we put it on, because we're going to have to adjust this on here also. So what we'll do is I'm going to take my sander, we're going to sand some of this off in here so it sets smoother with this piece here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.